i3 Studio on the i360 means you have i3 Whiteboard with the infinite whiteboard that allows you to take as many notes as you want and to share them quickly. You can present wired and wirelessly. You can use the conferencing application. A browser is on board. You can annotate on whatever you want. Like for example, I'm doing now on a PowerPoint, but that's something you can do on the display. And the i360 is a Google certified device. So that means it has the Google Play Store on board with all the applications that you might need. In case you go for the Walnut installation separately without i360, Walnut has Studio on board, but it's of course a limited version. As Walnut is not interactive, you cannot whiteboard directly on Walnut, and that's also way too large to do that. But it will have the presenting app, so you can use the AllSync dongle if you want, or you can use the application to share content wireless, or you can use the inputs to connect your device wired, of course.